They are the
Yeah.
numerator.
Yeah, exactly. And what is the fraction? Then what is the fraction? It is 1 by
4.
4. Same for cake. What is the numerator and what is the denominator?
Ma'am, there
Yeah.
are 12 pieces of cake, so they are the
Yeah.
denominator, and the 3 pieces you gave to your
Yeah.
friend, they are the numerator.
Yeah, exactly. It is 3 upon 12. So parts of a fraction is pretty easy, right? Like it is very easy to understandable. But the problems comes where we have to solve the word problems. Like in your book also there will be word problems, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
where you have to read the question and then you have to make the fractions also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then do the adding and subtraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we'll move forward directly to the addition and subtraction because it is pretty, like it is pretty easy to understand, but it just take 1 minute. If you understand the English, like if you understand the sentence clearly, then you can solve the problem very easily. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So let's go for adding fractions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So here, what I written is rule is nothing. You just have to keep that in your mind. You can also note down it to your notebook also. Rule is you just add the numerator and keep the denominator same. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So you are understanding me? You just need to do what? In adding fractions, you have to add the numerator and keep the denominator same. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Just write it down. No worries. Okay. You have write it down? Yeah, just written add the numerators and keep the denominators same. Yeah. Okay, you have write it down, Veronica. Okay, great. So see, there is a small example. You have to add 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. Okay, so what is the rule? You have to add the numerator. So what you have to add actually?
Now I have to numerator.
Mhm.
Numerator.
Yeah, you have to add the numerator. And what is the numerator in 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4?
Ma'am, 3. 3.4.
Yeah. Yeah, 3 by 4. Like the rule is you just have to add the numerator and you have to keep the denominator same. It is pretty simple. And how question will come? There will be like suppose if I ate in 1/4 of a pizza and 2/4 of a cake, then how much total food I have eaten, right? This is the word problem. So what is said? I have eaten 1/4 of a pizza. So you have 1/4 of a pizza, 1 by 4, and I have eaten also 2/4 of a cake. So it is 2 by 4. Now they are asking me how much food or how much food I have eaten, total food I have eaten. So what you have to write, what you have to do actually, you have to add both of the numbers, right? So what you will be adding 1/4 of a pizza plus 2/4 of a cake. So it will be you just have to solve it like add numerator 1 plus 2 would be 3 and denominator would be same. So you can easily write 3 by 4. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you understanding me till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And same goes for subtracting the fractions also. Now you tell me, how can I subtract the fractions? What should be the rule?
Ma'am,
Like
if the
subtract the,
denominators are same,
yeah,
so we will
yes.
minus the numerator.
Uh-huh. Yeah, exactly. So just solve a little, just solve a little problem. Like, see, I have eaten 3/4 of chocolates. Okay, okay.
Ma'am.
So 3/4 of chocolate would be there, and 1/4 of a chocolate I have given to my brother. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there are total 4 pieces of a chocolate in which I have eaten 3/4 and 1/4 I have given to my brother. Okay. So how much is the actual chocolate we have right now? Okay. So what you have to do? 3/4 of the chocolate minus 1/4 of chocolate,
Yes,
right?
yes, ma'am.
So just tell me what we have to do next. We have to subtract the
Ma'am, you have to subtract the numerators.
Yeah, exactly. And keep the denominator
Ma'am,
same.
same.
Yeah, so tell me the answer. What would be the answer?
Ma'am, the answer will be 2 by 4.
Yeah, exactly. Answer would be 2 by 4. And same, let's go for one more question. You just have to solve it. Okay. It is 5 upon 8 minus 2 upon 8. What would be the answer? Tell me fast. 5 upon 8 minus 2 upon 8.
Ma'am, the answer will be
Mm-hmm.
3 upon 8.
Yeah, exactly. 3 upon 8. And let's see one more question. Now, let's see the word problems.
Give me
Okay.
1 second.
Yeah. So, are you seeing the screen? Is it visible? Yeah, okay. So the question is Rohan ate 2 upon 8. 2 by